Got a call this morning from Archie Tan. He said he had something he needed me to see, something he got from an old friend, my archaeology professor, Charles Kingston. Kingston fell off the map a few years ago. I assumed he died on a dig somewhere. Archie wouldn't tell me why it was so urgent, but he asked me to come right away. I could use a break from grading papers. Hey! What have you done with Archie Tan?
Stop! Don't follow me anymore!
Long way down. One nice thing about ancient tombs. No electricity. What have you done with Archie? So much for doing this the easy way. You've got a lot of friends. Don't you guys go anywhere alone? Anyone still conscious? Nobody was talking much after the fight on the rooftop, but one of the thugs had a business card on him from the Lao Che Lounge. I found out that the lounge is controlled by some local thugs, the Hip Chen Tong. My guess is they're the ones who took Archie. I've got to find him before this gets messy. I'm looking for Archie Tan. I don't suppose you know where he is.
Oh, yes, of course. We're happy to help.
I don't need that kind of help.
No, really. We insist.
This is your base of operations. There must be something here that'll lead me to Archie. If you guys won't give me an answer, here's your tip. Gotta keep looking for evidence. There's gotta be something around here that'll lead me to Archie. Fighting these guys is fun, but I'm here to pick up Archie's trail. It's a note from a guy named Blind Duck. It says to take Archie to the fireworks factory. That helps. But where is it? Still need a bit more evidence before I can find Archie. looks like a map of all the Hip Chen Tong holdings. I'll probably find Archie in one of these places. That's a picture of Susie, Archie's granddaughter. They must have used her as leverage. That's the only way they could have gotten the drop on Archie. There's only one fireworks factory on the map, and that's right here in Chinatown. I need to get over there and rescue Archie and Susie. This blind duck guy sounds like trouble. I tracked down the leader of the Hip Chen Tong, a man named Blind Duck. He operates out of an old fireworks factory, and he likes to put the heat on his victims personally. I don't know what he's after, but I better get Archie out of there before he gives it to them. Once they have what they want, Archie's a dead man. There's the entrance. Maybe if I shift this crane, I can climb down the line and no one will know I'm here. Only two of them. This should be quick. For being clever. least Archie knows I'm coming for him. Inside the factory, but I wasn't exactly subtle about it. They heard me coming a mile away and carted Archie upstairs. But they left his granddaughter Susie in one of the assembly rooms. When I saw her, it all became clear. Archie would never let a bunch of goons order him around, unless he thought his granddaughter was in danger. Archie, wait!
Indy, find my granddaughter! Enough! Take him to the roof!
Happy New Year. Susie? Susie Tan!
I'm in here!
Did you guys stuff her in a barrel? I'll get you out, Susie. They don't build these places like they used to. One more second, Susie. These guys are just about finished. Just stay put, Susie. Let me get rid of these guys. Susie, get out of here as fast as you can! I finally caught up to Archie on the rooftop of the factory where Blind Duck was about to toss him over the edge. Archie wouldn't fight back unless he knew Susie was safe. I had to tell him, and quick, before it was too late.
Your goons don't scare me, Doc.
They don't need to. As long as I have your granddaughter, you will give me exactly what I want.
Susie's fine, Archie. The tongs can't touch her. Archie, the factory's on fire. Get down there and take care of it. I'll deal with this guy. Keep the fire away from the gunpowder.
It's too late. We have to go now.
Blind Duck took the easy way out. Archie and I wouldn't be so lucky. By now, the entire factory was in flames. It was only a matter of time before the whole thing collapsed beneath us. Can't leave you alone for a second.
Very funny. I get to die laughing.
That'll solve our smoke problem.
Air is only feeding the fire. We must get out now. Ah!
Archie!
I'm all right. Keep moving. I'll catch up.
Break a window before I pass out.
Keep moving. This place is falling apart. Indy, I'm trapped. Do something.
Hold on, Archie!
I hope that doesn't happen again. buildings on fire, Indy, if you can't put them out. This place is coming down. Allow me to return here.
Archie! I can't breathe!
Fine, break another window.
Do you see a window anywhere?
Indy, I found a way out. Let's go. You'll have to find another way out. Hurry!
Can't breathe in here. I need to get some air.
Indy, you always do things the hard way.
Force of habit. And we got out of the factory, but it wasn't over yet. The hip Chen Tong has a lot of muscle. It looked like half of Chinatown was waiting for us when we got outside. I had to find a way to get Archie out of there and track down Kingston's mystery object before it was too late.
Wind up, never found what he was looking for. I kept it hidden downtown. We can go there tonight if you
Now!
want.
We're going now! What exactly are we looking for?
Charles Kingston left me an artifact. It looked like some kind of message. He said if anyone ever came looking for it, I should call you. You sure that Susie is all right?
She's fine. Us, I'm worried about. Forget the brake. Go faster.
Look out! More of them!
I can see that, Archie.
They look pretty mad.
Can't imagine why. Catch the next one.
Hey, you come back here!
All right, let's finish this.
We're getting close now.
What was that for?
This is our stop.